Hello, super explorers. Welcome to another exciting adventure. Today, we're going to take an amazing journey through our solar system. Get ready to zoom past planets, dance on asteroids, and twirl around the sun. First stop, the sun. Did you know the sun is a star, not a planet, and it's huge? If the sun were the size of a basketball, Earth would be as small as a sesame seed. That's tiny. Zooming in on Mercury, it's the closest planet to the sun and super speedy. It takes only 88 days to go around the sun. That's less than a year on Earth. Next up, Venus. It's called Earth's twin because they're almost the same size. But Venus is super hot, enough to melt lead, plus it spins backward. Imagine the sun rising in the west and setting in the east. Back home to Earth. Our planet is special because it has water in liquid form and amazing life forms. Did you know about 70% of Earth's surface is covered in water? Now we're on Mars, known as the red planet. Why red, you ask? That's because its surface has lots of iron oxide, which is like rust. Mars also has the tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons. It's about 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Check out this rocky belt. We're in the asteroid belt, full of rocky bodies orbiting the sun. Some asteroids are really big, and some are as small as pebbles. Hello, Jupiter. It's the biggest planet in our solar system. Jupiter has a giant storm called the Great Red Spot. It's so large that 3 Earths could fit inside it. Look at those rings. Saturn's rings are made of ice and rock. Did you know Saturn is so light that it could float in water? That's if we could find a bathtub big enough. Uranus is a bit of a mystery. It's tilted on its side and spins like a rolling ball. Plus, it has faint rings. And finally, Neptune. It's known for its strong winds, some of the strongest in the solar system. It's a beautiful blue planet, getting its color from methane in the atmosphere. We're back on Earth. What a journey. We learned about the sun, the 8 planets, and even the asteroid belt. Every part of our solar system is unique and fascinating. Thank you for joining me on this space adventure, super explorers. Keep looking up at the stars and dreaming big.